Today we're going to demonstrate how to install chicken coop wheels on a small homemade chicken coop. We have laid out the necessary tools and materials to facilitate quick and easy installation. We have a drill, a socket wrench, an adjustable wrench, an Allen wrench, channel lock pliers, and an optional clamp. To make installation easier, we have elevated the coop on a stack of bricks. First, locate the coop's approximate center of gravity and determine your mounting point. Use the lifting lug as a template to mark the drill holes. There are 6 holes available. Choose the 4 holes that are the best fit for your coop. Next, remove the lug and drill the 4 holes. Mount the lifting lug to the coop frame using the provided 2.5-inch bolts with washers and lock nuts. Use the channel lock pliers to hold the lock nut stationary on the back side of the frame while using the drill to tighten the bolt. Do this 4 times per lug. Next, insert the wheel axle thread side out into the lifting handle. Then mount the lifting handle using the fulcrum bolt, placing a washer between the head of the bolt and the handle. Be sure not to over-tighten. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the stainless steel set screw to hold the fulcrum bolt in place. Moving on to the wheel assembly. Place 5 washers onto the wheel axle to space the wheel away from the lug. Next, install the wheel, 1 more washer, the big nut, and finally the little nut. Tighten the assembly, leaving it loose enough to allow the wheel to spin freely. You're done. Now it's time to move your coop.